go. Hey guys.
Hello.
Okay, opening the chat. Oh, open. Medvedek, how are you doing? Can I zoom this in? I noticed one thing that I'm really moving out of the camera when I'm reading the chat, but I don't see it here. Come on. How do I see chat only?
Go here.
Alright.
And pop out.
Oh, there you go. Yep. Awesome. Alright. Now we are talking. Alright, so there you go. Do you wanna
I wanna
talk about it?
Oh.
Overall, we have glyphs, but Daniel will tell you more.
Well, yeah, we have glyphs and these thing like moving them and this is actually the units, but these glyphs, this thing like moving them and
Your English is really getting worse.
yep.
This thing like moving them.
It works. Well, it works when you try to move them. And if you want to move glyph into the unit slot, it won't work. And
And you did
Reversed.
something to prepare save game. You have strings, right? There's like a list of strings, so it's not saving yet, but it's prepared to do
it's
that.
not saving yet, it's simulated save game. Actually,
Yeah.
they are
Plex.
created by simulated.
So
game.
this is us, well, mostly Daniel's, but us building the single-player version of the game. So this is how it will look actually.
This is the game.
Actually, yeah, this is the game. But we have something to show also, some final UI. We've been messing around with UI. I don't know. We have like, I think more than 10 variations with artist, and we cannot nail it. Like it's so tricky. And finally, here it is. So it's kind of a cartoony Diablo-looking UI. We have a bit more here. There it is. And we're really happy with this one finally. I'm later going to see all the variations. I will try to find them in Slack and show you. I will share on Facebook or somewhere, and you will see like we gone through a million of them. And I don't know, what do you guys think about it? Oh no, freaking Windows. Okay, everything got minimized. There you go. Greeting chair developers, Johanna. You're the only one that likes that joke. That one is cool. Alright. And other than that, we are also figuring out how to make multiplayer work, even though it's not a multiplayer game, but we want to make this Twitch app where you can, like here, imagine if there is like a battle here, battle slots, and then you would put these units and then position them. Like I want orc in front, mage all the way back, and then one archer next to the orc, and so on, and then you want to choose their levels and their abilities and so on, and you want to play like that on Twitch. And we figured we're gonna do that, but you will have to copy that code and paste it on Twitch. And other problem is that when you choose, like, I want to play on Entertainment Forge stream, the problem there is that you don't know what is the setting on my stream, how many units did I choose, and eventually there will be more options. There will be like, what units can we use? Because we will have 20 units, so maybe streamer wants to limit it to 10 specific units. Like, no, we don't want orcs in this one. Let's see how Yotze will do now, and so on. So in order to do that, we figured like we need to connect them somehow, and we were trying to connect them through Twitch, like messaging Twitch and Twitch messaging back the game and the clients and so on, and crazy stuff. And then we run into million obstacles. But right now we figured why not, actually Daniel thought that we should explore this multiplayer thing. Where is it?
It's up there.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Alright, so we figured it out, and we have some basic kind of server running going, so I can actually go here, make a matchmaking. There is actually a lot of stuff that is pre-created by Unity, but I never used it, so I didn't know. So like forge, and then create match, and if I go here, enable matchmaking,
Find internet match.
and there you go, it found me. And this is working over internet. It says LAN host, local host, but it's not. We tested it with other internet.
Yeah, we can
connections.
send you this application and we can play.
It will be very fun.
on the internet.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to open the project to play, but can you check the chat while I do that?
Yeah. Never know, we might even joke about Orc throwing RPG rockets next Wednesday. Yeah.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Wait. Okay, so we start here. Uberlord says, it looks really good. I got goosebumps the moment you pulled it out. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, me too, but I was really invested in figuring it out, like, and we were not happy with it so far because look, this is the UI that we had before, and this one was actually the best of all the terrible ones.
Yeah.
Okay, I cannot, maybe I can. Right, so this one actually was the better version of UI. We had several of them that were not that good, and then this one was like, alright, we kind of find the style, we might tweak it a little bit. And then when we came back to this, we were like, let's start over, and then we spent like, I don't know, I think tried 5 more variations before we got to the final
Is
one.
this chat paused due to scroll?
Okay, because I didn't read everything here. Okay, I'm gonna do this and let's go through. So we moved from bot 8 memes, and now we're doing chair ones. Chair was always there. Or characters. Not really views all jokes ever made. Depends on the occasion. Even 1 million old ones. Never know. We might even joke about Orc throwing rockets next Wednesday. Yeah. Multi 1 versus 1 Uber, nice. We must find out who is stronger, 18 priests, level 1 or 1 level 1 priest. They're similar. What's that? Noob Noob, yes, that's Noob Noob. The character. Any updates on character info screen where shows damage, speed and all that? Well, no, because when we updated the game soon, we will have strength, agility and magic stats, and we don't have them right now. So all the stats are going to be changed according to that, and every time we update the game, all the stats will change. So the best way for you guys to see the damage is through the that Twitch app that we will be developing. And we should join and start. Actually, you can join. I want.
Yep. Why?
Because there's
Oh.
one player left. So yeah, to be clear, it's not going to be a really multiplayer game, but kind of it is going to be through the Twitch. So you will have that input, that input, but you will have to go through Twitch to watch it. But it's kind of fun that way because I don't know any other game that is like it's multiplayer, but it's publicly multiplayer always. And it has a little bit of lag. I didn't tell you, I was checking out the Mixer. Turns out that Mixer has super fast latency, like 0.5 second latency, which would be perfect for us. Imagine that would be almost real time. But they say that it's still kind of in development, and so sometimes the connection is not as strong, as good as for Twitch. But we did actually. Can you check there?
Yeah.
Like I think we have
Yeah.
we connected the restream with Mixer and with what? With Periscope? Yeah. I haven't used any of these platforms before, so I don't know how that will go on. Mixer is fast, but not much people. Yeah, I noticed. Like all top few channels have like few thousand people, and that's it. Marbles on stream. Do the Jackbox games count? Marbles. I'm not sure what you mean. Are we there? Who
I
knows?
don't know how do you.
Let's change places. I gonna check. Since I set it up, maybe I will find it. It says we're live, so.
Yeah, but where? How
Where,
do we
yeah.
see?
Broadcast. We can't wait to see you stream today.
Ah, I lost again. What's wrong?
Who defeated you? I don't know. Let's see. Broadcast. Stream. What? How is this working?
Yeah, it's really confusing.
Preferences. I don't want preferences. We're live. Okay. View channel.
View channel? That was.
There we are.
Oh,
All right.
okay. Oh,
fast
and
is
the
this?
final.
Yeah, but there is no fast latency turned on.
Nice, Uber.
One, huh? Nice.
Yep. Okay, let's go. Let's go 12.
And Periscope, I did not know what the hell it even is before, like
Wait, me and Joanna have same
30
build.
minutes before.
Well, it looks like it was some copy pasting skill involved
Skill in action.
here.
Oh my god, what is Yeah, it's working. Alright, we are live there too, but we didn't leave any links to Twitch, so I guess people seeing it there will be just confused, and we don't even see the chat from there.
Yeah.
Well, we do now, but we're gonna have to click. And we didn't really advertise it anywhere, so I don't think anybody will show up, so. Yeah. But we tried. Alright. Tell them please they don't want to keep the guitar.
Well, we will still think about it. I mean, I don't know. There is so many things that guitar thing is last on our mind.
Wait, what did I miss? Okay, oh, nice look. Well, yeah, she does call people. I'm loving that orc is going with guitar. Oh! Lev the Melon, welcome. So, do you need some help getting started? You can write in chat hashtag, name of some character next to the level of that character, and your team is created. And then do it again for the next one. or separated them with commas. And actually, I'll show you here. So like hashtag, and then
Look at that, my big name with 3
yeah,
cheers.
self-cheering.
Yeah.
Alright, so knight like 5, and I have team with knight level 5, but I have 12 points total, so I can go like, alright, I'm gonna go with Pyromancer, or I'm going to go with Warg, but I'm going to just write W, because we have these shortcuts, and I'm going to write 7, and that is Warg level 7. So this is how you join. Nah, I'm in a bit burnt out, so I'm just here to lurk. Alright, sure. Nah, just let's skip this build and start.
Oh, this chat
Yeah, no.
is so big now.
I noticed it. I took a look at our stream, and I noticed that I'm reading chat, and then going forward too much, and I'm even exiting the camera at some points.
Go, doggy.
No, I don't have a chance here.
Good dog.
They don't even have time to attack. Alright, they did better than I thought, actually. But no way. This. Okay. So yeah, about the orc playing guitar, I don't know. One thing about it is that it's kind of out of the context. Yeah, like they don't even know about guitars. Like, I mean, we are not breaking fourth wall that much with the game, or we didn't intend so far. And this guitar is actually made for, if you follow us here on Twitch, there is actually going to appear like that orc with playing guitar will appear. So in game we kind of put it, and then we were like, yeah, let's bring back the other animation, but we got stuck with this build right now because we are waiting on
We haven't changed it in the current build, I think.
yeah, but I mean we are
like,
waiting
okay, we're gonna change it.
there is no point in changing it here. That's what I want to say,
Yeah.
because everything here will get removed. About guitar, can't you make it an optional skin streamer can buy? Select microtransactions. Let's do it. I don't know. We won't have microtransactions in the game,
Yeah.
because it's going to be a paid game, and there will be even a free version, but that free version is only to play on other people while other people are streaming. So like here you can actually play through that free version, but it's not an actual game that runs on your PC. I mean, I get it, yeah. I don't know. We will probably see how the development goes and how much we break the fourth wall with more other stuff, but so far it's a bit weird to us because he's the only one in the whole game who is breaking fourth wall. And
Yeah.
he's breaking fourth wall by playing guitar because it's
When
something
someone-
that nobody
yeah.
there is doing, so it's obviously doing it for us, right? Okay, got someone.
But orcs are special.
That is true. That is true.
Okay, let's go 18 units.
Some. I have mixed emotion about this. I'm against the idea of microtransaction and pay-to-win stuff. Then again, the concept of work put into this game is brilliant. It deserves the profit. That's my argument. Yeah, but I think we can get enough profit if we make a good enough game and it actually gets some attention and it sells like a premium game. That will be good enough, I think. I don't think we also need to sell in-game stuff. It might even end up hurting us because people will be like, hey, I paid for this game and now they are even asking for microtransaction inside of the game and it's just an indie small game, come on. So I wouldn't even. It's not pay to win, it's only cosmetics. Yeah, that is true. I have nothing wrong with microtransactions if it's just the cosmetics. Yeah, even better if you can unlock the stuff for free. Yeah, like League of Legends got it really well. Like you can play it for free. Like I played, I don't know, 200, 300 hours. I didn't play it for free, I bought some stuff, but of course I could, and it would be the same game, right? But that's the thing about it, like we're living in Serbia and people working here are like barely going by financially and they still pay for League of Legends. Even though they torrent every other game, there is nothing that they would like pay for, but League of Legends, they, even though they can play it for free because they want that skins, and then like, come on, what is $10?
Yeah.
It's like 1 day of work here. That's what it is. So that your Katarina can have like a winter Christmas skin or something. But it works. Seems like
We're not live anymore.
I think we are probably live on Twitch, but yeah, on Twitch it's working. But Mixer broke
Hey,
for
you
a
can
moment.
join here.
Aha, okay. Join
We
how
are
many?
missing
18
one.
units.
Yeah, 18 units.
Alright. And yeah, let's try this. We can start.
Yep. Whoa, that was really laggy.
What happened there? Why was he
Yeah, because
so much explosions, huh?
Yeah.
Weird.
We're gonna have a lot of work with optimizing this game
Like generally it is
later.
somewhat optimized. It used to work fine, but then we added all these effects and didn't bother to
Yeah.
do anything. How did I win? I didn't have mage level. What happened? No, this
Because
is
I am you.
Ah,
and you
okay,
and
okay. Okay.
And you are me.
Alright. We switched places, so I'm on the other PC and I'm now Daniel's. I got confused, I thought the team was switched. Look at this. Wait a little. Orcs are good again. I should have used some orcs, not ghoul.
Oh, that was nice.
Like accidentally.
Look, and he's gonna win.
The knight is the boss.
Look.
He's the boss. Said
Look,
yeah.
nice.
Ah.
That was really great game.
Unexpected, yeah.
Yeah.
Swap says the knight is a boss. This one is. Why is my character sprinting around more than Barbie?
Spinning around.
Spinning, I don't know.
You see when these fireballs are
Yeah, they are
created.
completely
Yeah.
unoptimized. We haven't checked into that. We just copied that. not copied. We edited the effect and played around with it, but didn't really see how much it's pulling, how much resources. Yeah, everyone forgot about the high level knight meta from last week. Now I can't remember what other units did you use, but I'm going to see next to the knight. I'm really like looking. What?
Did Medvedev won?
No, Overlord won. He had
Overlord.
that knight with.
Oh, I thought, okay. I thought Medvedev had that knight.
I think not.
Who had that knight?
Overlord,
Oh,
I guess.
Overlord, yeah. It's okay. These crazy look at this. No,
Too
okay.
much now.
This
He
time
doesn't
is
have
not-
time
yeah.
to attack, but
He's blocking really.
yeah, he's trying.
Yeah.
You got this. Come on, your game is not that buggy. Weirdly enough, yesterday we had a lot of bugs that were... I mean, it's the same build that we've been using for 2 weeks because we are working on the new build.
Yeah.
And we cannot show that one yet because it has a lot of mess with the UI.
And I won.
You won?
Nice. Okay, let's go. 18 units again.
Yeah, sure. So what I was saying is that even though we have the same build, yesterday we have found a million more bugs than usual. It was working usually. We didn't see anything weird in this one. And then yesterday somebody flies behind collider, inside of the collider.
Yeah.
Then what else did we have yesterday? There were some weird stuff. I can't remember neither, but I know that we were like, alright, it's Thursday is bugs day. Zonius, hello! Feel free to join us. If you need any help, tell me. I'm going to help you. Alright, I'm going to wait to see if somebody else joins too.
"18 Pyromancers versus 18 Pyromancers would make the game crash."
No.
No.
Nah.
It would lag for a moment
Yeah.
when they throw that firebolt, but yeah, after that would be everything okay.
Mm. Alright, let's see if we should join too. Oh yeah, I saw that video on Discord, Plex. Yeah, but I think we had way more there. Then we allowed million units actually. So somebody was... There weren't a million of them, but there were a lot of them probably.
There was I think 100 of them.
Yeah,
something
maybe
like
something
that.
like that. It gone nuts.
Yeah, there is much more than 18 here.
You should join too. So we can start. Yeah, good find, Overlord. From New Year's.
Yeah, New Year.
Last time I was here, there were 50 units in last match.
Yeah.
And we were probably... At one point we did that 1 million units, but yeah, I think we allowed 50 at some point too, but it's weird at that point because things break and they go all in one place and so on. But now we do something differently. Now each Wednesday we have like a twist. We do something that is weird, like last Wednesday we had mages that are throwing chairs instead of fireballs, and these chairs are like really strong, they're going through everybody. So we always try something. We are going to last Wednesday was the first one, but so next one we're gonna figure out something else. We won't tell you what it is, then you will figure it out in the game.
This is really...
I'm doing good. Or am I? I'm not. I'm going to lose. Hi guy, you defeated me. This is from now, huh?
No, from the chairs thing.
Ah, chairs. Yeah, this was last Wednesday, there you go. Hail the chairs. Force multiplies when there is so much of that goes. And the game broke.
What the hell?
Push him outside of the collider, so collider is like
God
in the
damn
middle,
it, yeah.
and you will see how. What?
Look!
Okay, we don't know what is going on
that's
anymore.
It. That's bug.
What is happening? He kicked him into oblivion.
Where? Is this him?
Yeah, that's him. That's him.
What? And look at the head here. Oh, it's not.
That was weird. Yeah, we have to do something. This is Sparta. Yeah, like, but this wasn't mages. I thought.
Yeah, clip that, please.
I
Someone.
thought that a lot of mages, if they shoot and they're going to like
Accumulate
their force.
Yeah.
But what happened with this guy?
I don't know.
It's like one kick. Steroids, yeah, looks like it. I'm sorry, Medvedev, hacks were required. How much health did my knight have left? Oh, sorry, I haven't seen it. I haven't seen your message when you wrote it.
This is part.
We should actually play it here to like repeat it, but
But look at him coming from the house. There is no collider here, and started to kicking them.
yeah, it's basically one. Let me show that. Let me show that again.
Yeah, stop this.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it. So here it is. Like, alright, so he walks from nowhere, and then.
What the hell happened there?
Have to go. Goodbye, everybody. See you at swaps. All of the orcs were stacked on top of each other due to the collider. There were 5 or so of them. I'm not sure about that. I don't know.
I think that's the case. This is the team. That's Uberlord's team.
Uh-huh.
You see, he has half orcs, half mages, and that.
No,
was
it's
exactly
orc
the
level
case.
18.
Against.
It's Medvedev team. Orc level 18.
Yeah, but he was
He
against.
was pushed.
Look at this is many orcs
I
here.
see, yeah.
That's why there is so much blood when he kicks him.
Good notice. Yeah, that's why there is so much dust also around. Yeah, I see now. Here it is.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'm going to restart this. No, I don't know what it is, but yeah, that's the case. They entered one place because they were going towards the collider and they all stopped at one point. Hi guy, good thing you noticed. Thank you for passing me your powers, father. Swaps, have a nice day. About to win.
Let's play this one and
Yeah,
maybe that
okay.
should be it for today, yeah.
Sure. So this one is the last one for today. Oh, also, tomorrow is championship, so
Oh
we
yeah,
want-
I thought like I'm planning out tomorrow I'm gonna work with the joystick system. But yeah, okay.
So this is the same build that we will have. We want to change it, so
Yeah.
you know that now some units are balanced differently. Like orcs could be pretty good. Maybe this team is good again. 3 orcs, level 6.
Poop.
Poop. Did you do it intentionally? Or?
No.
I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, so I guess that means someone else will get to win a game. Something like that. You have to train people. Entertainment Forge, full poop team. You are the only one who is missing units.
Okay.
Alright. I was killed by poop in my last stream with medieval game. Yeah, I saw you.
Okay. Starting.
So what is that? Like a frozen poop in that... I forgot the name of the game. It's something on M. Morandu. I'm actually going to find it on your Twitch channel.
Mordahu.
Mordahu,
Mordhau.
Mordhau. How good of idea was to name the game with some random word? I guess it's not random, but what is it? Is it something Latin or do I not know that word? But I mean, it's doing incredibly well on Steam. It has like I think 16k reviews already, and it's out for 2 months or even less. So yeah, it's not a problem, but. Throw access. What? Okay, 6 orc teams is not that good. Meaning that orcs are still not so good as they were before. How OP were the orcs, were the orcs before? Because a team like that was able to win before. And now we buffed them pretty much. Huh.
Maybe the kick is the problem with orcs. They're trying to punch all the time and rarely use kick. Kick used to be like...
to have less cooldown.
Yeah, less cooldown,
Yeah.
and that's why the orcs are...
Yeah. But it's a bit late now to change it because
Yeah.
we said that we would keep the same settings so the people who play here on Friday actually have a feeling for how it's going to go down on Saturday. Like a cutting machine.
Yeah. We have to do something about that. When they enter in each other, like overlapping.
Yeah.
We have to do something about that.
Yeah, I agree. The thing about it, the problem is that if we make them not do that, they are going to be probably less efficient. But I guess it's fine if we make them do like.
Look at this.
What the hell? Okay,
Money.
she didn't have enough
Li-
stamina. Wrong target.
But-
She killed priest instead of
Yeah.
archer. Orc spam seemed to be good start.
Strut.
Start, I guess.
Oh. And
Lord, good
Uber.
job. I saw the orc use of I saw the what? I saw the use of I can't read, guys. I saw the use of orc being good when they buffed it yesterday. I watched it offline. Yeah, they're still buffed, but I guess they were even more buffed before because we kept nerfing them to the point where they were kind of useless. No, they're still good. We seen yesterday some situations like
Yeah.
there's one really good one where orc would throw an axe and hit another character with his axe in his hand, and he would kill both of them and win the whole game like that. I think he killed mage and maybe Vorg or something like that. Alright, yeah, so this is it. This
That's
is it
it
for
for
today.
today.
So we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna start 2 hours later than today. This is always when we start the Saturday stream. No, 3 hours later. Well, you have the counter there in Twitch when you scroll down. So you're gonna see it there, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow maybe. We're gonna share some games tomorrow also. We do
Yeah.
that for everybody who doesn't know. On Saturday, you can, if you win championship when there is a lot of people there, then you win some game that publisher will provide. Entertainment Forge, have you listened to the reference song I gave you? Yes, I did. Yeah. Actually, the one that you gave
We
me,
did,
I
yeah.
sent even to sound designer, and he did something. Did we show that? Here we
No,
can even
we
show
haven't
that.
shown it.
But we're still not happy with how it turned
Yeah.
out, the last one, but we can show it. Wait, so... Let's replay the music. I got the timing wrong. I should play the
Yeah.
intro part when they were walking and then the heavy
Ah,
part when we start.
This time Plex won. Oh, we must
It's
play.
rigged!
We must play another time.
But wait. Let's
But
let's
let's
play
go
one more,
again.
but let's do it with music. Alright.
Ah!
Plex
Plex again.
again.
Okay, so
Yeah.
sorry, Uber.
Yeah, but this music, it's way better than before, but we're still not completely happy with it. We still want maybe something different. We were aiming something towards more metal-y sound, more metal, or I don't know. What do you guys think? How do you like this one so far? The music. Yeah, it's rigged. Well, there is so much randomness. Like when they throw their axe, it
Yeah.
has 50% randomness, so it might go all the way wrong. All the way wrong, yeah. So archers have some randomness, and orcs, I think they have most randomness because their axe is very like not very precise. Yeah. All right. So that would be that. The music is nice, but it's not serious. I feel a silly inside listening to it. We don't want it too serious, but we kind of want it. Let me actually show you the reference. I won't play it here because I don't want to be copy striked, but you guys can play it.
You can share it on Discord better.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Are you all guys all on Discord? Can I share it there or somebody wants me to share it here?
It's the, this,
Yeah.
this is the one. This is all
Yeah, this is all of them. Alright. I had a better feel, though I agree there's something that could improve. Can't tell what it is. Do join community for regular updates. Yeah, you guys can join the Discord and we're gonna... But if somebody insists, I can send them a personal message if you're curious and don't have Discord or something like that. But basically it's a reference that we are kind of looking to go to be close to that. I don't know. I ran out of my English for today. We'll have to stop this.
That's it with the English for today.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for hanging out, and we'll see you tomorrow or on Monday.
Yeah.
So
See ya.
ya.